Okay. Welcome back to MFM. Today is the day of transformation. So we get to get this guy right here. This one. The shell is getting painted. And yes, I got me a haircut. Told you I would. Oh gosh. If you learned anything from me, learn how not to do things. That is probably super bright. I did not set the exposure, I'm pretty sure. Anyways, yeah, it's gonna get a nice layer of gray paint. If you guessed that in the last video, good job. You can read lips. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just scrub it down one last time, hit it with TSP because I found it, and I didn't know that I lost it in the last video, but I did, and then now I found it, so we're good to go. There's a lot of fiberglass work that's been done on this thing, and yeah, I chipped a lot of it off, so it's not that big a deal. I can always go back in there, take the paint off, redo the fiberglass, but let's just get it on the truck, get it ready, get it going, get it working, get it covering something. And then, oh yeah, you know what? I gotta grab the grinder real quick because last time, if you notice this right here, this guy would not come off because it's actually stuck. It's rusted into place with a wing nut. Here we go. I got my gear on. You know, shirts work too, sometimes. Just big particles, that's what they protect from. At least in my world. Okay, let's get this thing off here. That was quick. That's it. I'm gonna let it dry, and yeah, I know that there's gonna be a couple contaminants left by just it drying on there. That doesn't really matter because I'm gonna hit it with TSP like I explained, and yeah, we'll be good to go. It'll get pretty much probably 90% of all the junk off there, but yeah, I'm gonna let it rest, let it dry. Probably be about, I don't know, 20 minutes. And obviously I'm not gonna make you wait. Okay, so we're good to go. That's what I'm talking about. Check it out. Look at that thing. It is so nice to be almost done. Obviously, there's a lot more to do. There's windows, there's the little flap things in the front, there's all the weather stripping underneath, there is replacing the windows and getting those ready. So that's obviously coming next, but it does need another coat. I mean, we went from a light color to a dark color. Of course, it needs another coat. And for all of you who want to do this, I don't know, use whatever you like. Just get it done. That's the hardest part, is to start. And yeah, I don't know. It looks nice. I like the color. It's not super hot, like temperature-wise, but it'll work. I like it. It's gonna look good on the back of the El Camino. Well, maybe not good. We already discussed this, where nothing looks good on an old car like that. I mean, maybe a tonneau cover that's flat, but not this. Anyways, have fun. I will see you next time. I'm gonna finish this up, and I will see you for the windows and the weather stripping. Take care, everybody. Talk to you next time.